I'm sorry to hear that you received this error message from TikTok. If your account has been permanently banned, there may not be much you can do to restore it. TikTok's decision is final in such cases. However, you can try reaching out to TikTok support or appeal process for further clarification or assistance. Keep in mind that their policies and procedures may have changed since my last update in September 2021, so be sure to check their latest guidelines and contact options. There is no way to fix the TikTok error message. We reviewed your appeal. It was determined that your account violates our community guidelines and cannot be restored. You'll no longer be able to log into TikTok with your account. Once your account has been permanently banned, it cannot be restored. If you have been permanently banned from TikTok, you will need to create a new TikTok account if you want to use the app again. However, keep in mind that if you are caught violating the community guidelines again on your new account, you will be permanently banned again. Here are some tips to avoid getting banned from TikTok. Make sure that you are following the TikTok community guidelines. Do not post copyrighted content without permission. Be respectful of other users and avoid spamming or harassing them. Do not engage in any other harmful or disruptive behavior. If you have any questions or concerns about the TikTok community guidelines, you can contact TikTok support for help. I understand that getting permanently banned from TikTok can be frustrating, but it is important to remember that the community guidelines are in place to protect all users. By following the community guidelines, you can help to create a safe and welcoming environment for everyone on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to TechSoar and like the video.